Today, take a look at the Silkland USB 4 cable. So there's the cable. It is nice all black. It doesn't have any weird like striped zebra patterns on it or anything. This looks like a simple, elegant cable. This does have a nice tightly woven cover on it. We can see kind of faintly on there as well. It's very nice and subtle. It does say 80 gigabits per second and 240 watts. So not only can this handle a lot of data, it can handle a lot of power. This one is the best of both worlds. It does say in the instructions that this is USB 4 at 80 gigabits per second and it is bi-directional. It's also good with Thunderbolt 5, Thunderbolt 4, and etc. Handles 240 watts. Power delivery 3.1, 8K or triple 4K 144 Hertz displays. So again, very high-end cable. This is also a somewhat long cable for this rate. There we go. We got a full 1.5 meters of cable on this guy. These ends do feel like metal, which is excellent. They have a plastic crimp on there, and they got good-looking contacts, and they do have clips so they hold in place. So I'm going to plug this into an external hard drive, and I'm going to plug that into a USB 4 port on my computer. All right, I did pick that up right away. I'm going to copy about 15 gigabytes worth of pictures and video. So it's running about 1.15 gigabytes per second. And let's do a speed test. Alright, so we are getting 3680 on the read and 3465 on the write. So there is no noticeable loss of performance with this cable. So if you have an enclosure like that and you want to have a longer cable than what it usually comes with, this is going to be an excellent option.